Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making shrimp toast. I know, shrimp toast. Now, my favorite appetizer at a Chinese restaurant is shrimp toast, but sometimes I don't want something so greasy, so this is an experiment. We'll use 2 racks. We'll make shrimp toast kind of like an air fryer. We'll see. The recipe and links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, and subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Leave a comment and smooshy that like button, hit that notification bell. You will love this channel. And we have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and as an ebook. I am really eager to make this shrimp toast, first time in the Omnia oven. Let's cook! Now these are deveined. You can ask your seafood department at your local supermarket. I know they have them, or they sometimes can devein them for you, but usually they're sold already deveined, which saves us a step. So now I'm just peeling them.
Better than frozen too, no?
Absolutely. So for this recipe, we're using crustless white bread. I don't know if your supermarket has them, but actually I was able to find this bread at Walmart. You can use any white bread, just cut the crusts. Like a Wonder Bread or even a potato bread would really work out great. So I'm just pressing down on these shrimp toast a little bit because I think the toast is going to touch the top of the cover. So just a little pat. Yowza.
You mean Yakuza?
Yakuza yowza. Hello, toast. So I think the bottom is almost ready. The top rack, of course, is ready first because, well, everyone knows heat rises, and here we are. So I'd give that another maybe 5 minutes and this batch should be ready.